Welcome to Relevant JavaScript Tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to add elements in JavaScript array. You can add new elements in array with push method. You have to call the push method on array and pass the element in push method like shown. You can see here, Thea is added to the end of user's array with push method. Previously, array contains 3 users John, Kevin and Peter. And now it also contains the new added user Thea and contains total 4 users. Similarly, if you want to remove elements from the array you can use pop method. The pop method is used to remove the last element of array. Let's see it in example. Here pop method is called on user's array and it will remove last element that is Peter. You can see Peter is removed from array, only John and Kevin 2 users left in array. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel if you want updates for all new upcoming tutorials on important JavaScript topics.